Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Mocha. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, I'm going to first start off by drawing the shape of the head. We'll start with a curve across for the top. Next, on both sides, let's add the flowers. We'll start with the first petal with a curve, and the same on the right. Now let's add a petal going up, another one out, and then two more on the bottom of each flower. And then inside the center, let's draw a small circle. Now underneath, let's continue the headline by angling it down and then curving it in. And the same on the other side. And now let's close off the head at the bottom with a line across. And that's it for the shape of the head. Now let's move in and draw the face. We'll start inside in the center and let's draw a curve down, over, and up. And then a long curve underneath. Next, let's draw the eyes with two ovals. And now let's color both of the eyes in black. And that's it for the face. Now let's move down and draw the body. We'll start by drawing a curve down on the left, and then another curve on the right. Now let's leave a gap and let's draw a curve across in the middle. Now underneath each of the gaps, let's draw a curve down and back up for the feet. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw a curve on the left and on the right for the hands. Now let's hop over to the left side and let's draw a curve for the tail. And that's it for the body. Now let's move up and let's draw the ears. We'll start next to the flowers and let's draw a curve over, around, and back in. And the same thing on the right side. And that's it for Mocha. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!